All right, well, I thought I was talking there for a couple minutes, but anyways, thermal radiation. How do you keep your house cool without air conditioning? Okay, we've got an exposed window over here that's got some film on it, some reflective tint, which is good because a plastic sucks up less heat than a glass. Also, if you've got your glass so that the sun can't get to it, like with one of those old-fashioned awnings that comes out over the window, and then it's, you know, it's little slats, and they make up an awning exactly the size you need. Then you have the awning up in the summer when it's open, and then you can fold it down, and it covers the whole window and acts as a hurricane shield or a shutter. So on my house, I take it a step further. I am here. I think I'm a step ahead. I also have this white mesh vinyl, which you can make grow bags out of that, but I use a different one that's a little more dense. But here, if you hang this over your glass, see, there's my glass, and these are tinted windows with the, like I said, the vinyl, which the window tinting itself, that little film of Mylar on the glass, actually adds a little bit of thermal factor, a little R there. Maybe not much, maybe just a 0.0 something, but it keeps the glass from being exposed directly to the sun or to the inside of the house. So it's a little bit more thermal. And having a mirror tint really reflects the light out, so that adds a lot of resistance to the heat getting in. So having a shade, an awning, if you just took if you didn't have anything else and you just took a sheet and hung it over your window so that the sun couldn't beat into the house, that right there is going to save you a lot of heat. Save you a lot of extra heat. So that's kind of how the thermal and the radiation works, and the sun hitting your glass. The old days, they had an awning that stuck out over the glass and kind of had a little curl on the end, and then it folded down over the window and had little tabs there. You just put little wing nuts on it. And I had a house like that once, and flat roof with just a tongue and groove underneath and shingles on top. No attic space, no insulation. And I had those awnings on the whole window with the terrazzo floor, and it never got over like 78 degrees in the house, even in the middle of summer. It was always cool. It had an air conditioner, but it was broke, so, and you didn't really even need it. I never worried about it. The other thing that's good to do is have a lot of bamboo. And I got that one coming out the top. I knew that was going to be a big one, and there's a couple others right behind it. So that is going to make a lot of shade, a lot of cool. They say it's 10 degrees cooler in and around bamboo compared to the other indigenous types of things that it replaces. And it's because it's thin in the bottom, the air can get through, and it's a stack. It's like a bouquet of flowers. It's thicker at the top, makes a canopy, but the air can still get underneath. Oak trees, they kind of, well, this one got tore up by the hurricane, but they kind of grab a lot of air and capture that thermal energy. Oh man, if I had a thermal camera, we could look at that. Oh well, maybe we can, maybe someone will donate one to me. Come on. Or, oh, maybe an app for your phone and a different, different camera maybe. Oh, I just need an infrared camera on my phone. Why don't they have that? Should be able to plug and play one or something. Anyways, try to keep cool, people. Peace out. August 13th, 2024.